So there are very interesting topics we can talk about in session 2, and I think that we get this great opportunity to work together in solving these problems, especially when it comes down to making data available to folks, to businesses. Timeliness is something we always consider. Also, the way that we need to modernize from these traditional approaches where data needed to be put in a pipeline, and it took a lot of time to be able to move it, to then start to figure out whether we had some insights within that data.
Your point is you have to pick it up and move it, and then you find out, oops, I moved the wrong data, and the cost of doing that. And it's about the adjacencies of where the information is and bringing it together quickly so you can derive value from it. So in the platforms that we employ today allow us to take advantage of technologies like in-memory, obviously, which has been around for a while, but now we're working, that is our sandbox, right? So we're able to bring things together in real time and bring that data that's adjacent or across the enterprise or outside the enterprise, well, it doesn't matter anymore, and look through and iterate through it versus having to try and drive value theoretically and then reposition and find out, I just spent a great deal of money moving that data and it's not what I was looking for. So
well, iteration iteration being a key point there, right, Bob? Because
yes.
we have our data science teams, our business teams that are expecting to get this information about their business that is living, breathing, is moving, is changing, and being able to iterate and change and shift and draw new learnings and new insights from the data. It's extremely critical. So we do need to modernize and accompany these business strategies with a matching technical strategy that keeps up with the speed.
And it's difficult to iterate when you're not able to move that data in a timely fashion, right? Not time is one, money is another. When the cost is somewhat overwhelming, you want to see the value quickly. So
these challenges being understood, I think where we're going to spend most of our time in session 2 is talking about very specific strategies we have put into place, and in the topic of data fabric, how do we build and weave that fabric of data for the organization to give folks very specific approaches that we can use to scale, to be able to interact with the information, and to be able to make these decisions and arrive at these business outcomes.